In this video, we are going to learn how to delete chats in DeepSeek AI. First, open your Google Chrome or any other browser on your device. Now click on the search bar and type in DeepSeek. After that, you'll be directed to this page where you have to click on this Start Now option. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Now to delete chat, hover your mouse to the chat and here you can see this three dotted option. Click on it. Now you can see two different options, either to rename your chat or delete it. So to delete your chat, click on this delete option. Now it is going to ask again if you really want to delete the chat. Click on delete if you are sure that you want to delete it. Click on it. Here you can see that you have successfully deleted your chat in DeepSeek AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.